Alright, let's start getting this thing tore down. Today we're going to start with the skid plate, get the wheels and tires off of it so we can start pulling the shocks off so we can get them sent out to Schmitty and we'll go from there. This ought to be a mess because this skid plate hasn't been off in at least a year. Got a bunch of mud stuck up in there. Oh, there, that was easy. Dirt up in there, not a lot, wasn't allowing the clip to come out. Alright, skid plate's off. We are looking to replace that skid plate with an aftermarket. Hopefully it gives a little better coverage. We're still working on the details on that. These joints look good. Looks like we might have a little oil seepage back here. That could just be from changing the oil and filter. Hopefully that's it and not nothing major. Alright, let's start working on getting the wheels and tires off. That darn compressor's so loud, I used to have it out on the other side of the barn, but it's too cold up here in the north. I was having trouble starting. So hopefully you don't have to listen to it too much. So this has got the dynamics suspension on it, so there's a plug that's got to be unplugged, and then just 2 bolts. Whole thing should come off. I had them off a year ago. I put some aftermarket tender springs on it. Hoping to replace these rock sliders also. These are the ones from Polaris. Can't say I was ever impressed with them. First time had them out, I believe we were out in West Virginia or down in Tennessee, caught a stump and ripped this one completely off. build. We were supposed to start it about a month ago, beginning in January, and I was putting up a new garage door over on the other side of the pole barn and fell off the ladder. The ladder kicked out from underneath me and I was about 16 feet in the air. Broke my shoulder, broke a bone in my foot, ended up with 5 stitches in my shin. So my shoulder's still a little sore from that, so we might be using the cheater bar more than expected. These wheels and tires will not be going back on. Planted side by side is setting us up with some new ones. I'm not sure what yet at this point. He's going to kind of surprise me. So we'll be waiting for those to show up. We'll get all this cleaned up, all the bolts and nuts and washers bagged up and marked so we know where they go when it's time to put it back together. Get the shocks boxed up and shipped off to Schmitty. I don't know where we'll go from here because we've got a lot of work to do. Probably start pulling the interior apart. Wolf Snout is sending us a cool cap kit. Hopefully that helps with the heat in this thing. Anybody who has a turbo knows that, man, these things get hot, especially in the summer. So hopefully that will help. We got the seats coming, so we'll get all that out of there. Got a new front bumper and winch coming. That winch is going to end up on the rear, so we're going to have a front and rear winch when we're all done with this. We'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for what's next.